What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play This Is Home by Cavetown. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. I also backflip kick you off the top of the turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning. You're using a few different chords, and I'm going to show you them as I'm showing you the structure of the song, but if you need any of the diagrams, I'm going to tell you how to play them on the guitar, but if you need a second look, jump into the description. I left a free ebook there for you called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's just an extra resource for you guys. Another way that I can say thank you for coming to the channel and checking out the content. It's got a lot of really useful stuff in there for you, as well as all the major chord diagrams. So if you need them, once you get done with the video, jump into the description and get your free ebook. So the structure for this song is going to be, you have an intro that's going to go twice, your first verse which goes 4 times, your first chorus which goes 4 times, you have a post-chorus that goes 4 times, your second verse goes 4 times, or your second verse goes twice, your second chorus goes 4 times, then you have a bridge that goes twice, and then you have an outro that goes 4 times. And I know that all sounds kind of confusing, but most of those things are all the same chord progression. There's only like 2 different major chord progressions in the song. Most of like the structuring parts are just the same things, they're just in different parts of the song. Your intro, which is going to be the same thing as your verse, you play these exact same things for the intro and the verses, is you're going to start out with this C major chord here. It's going to be 0, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3. And I'm not even really playing the high E string there. I'm just kind of doing 0, 3, 5, 5, 5. And I'm just putting my index finger. If you want to play the 3 on the high string, you bar the high E, you bar that whole 3rd fret starting on the A string. You don't have to though, but you do want to try and get the D, the G, and the B string all with your ring finger barred. Your next chord after that is going to be a C minor, so you're going from C major to C minor, which is just 0, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3. So C major, C minor, and then you go to G major, which I'm doing 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Now, like I said, that's your chord progression for your intro and both your verses. It's C, C minor, G major. And your strumming pattern is going to be a down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now after that, you're going to have the chord progression for your chorus, your post-chorus, and your outro are all the same thing. So chorus, post-chorus, outro, all the same chord progression, all the same strumming pattern, except your outro is just single strums, but I'll get there after we get done with the bridge. But yeah, same chord progression for your choruses, your post-chorus, and your outro. The chords are gonna be E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And then you're going back to that G major again, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Now your strumming pattern for that is going to be the exact same thing as your verses. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now pretty much all that's left after that is going to be your bridge. This is played through twice. Your chords are going to be E minor, A major, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, C major again, and then G major again. Now your strumming pattern for the bridge is going to be similar, but not quite the exact same as with the song. It's just going to be a down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Throughout all the chords, it looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now in between your bridge and your outro, they're going back to the C chord this way and then C minor again, and it's down, 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 up, single strum on C minor. So right after you play the bridge twice, you go down, 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 up, down. And then it jumps into the outro, which is E minor, C, G. It's the same as your chorus and your post-chorus, but they're only single strumming each of them. So it's down, 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 down. And that plays through 4 times, and that's the end of the song. So to give you a clear picture, I'll play the last time of the bridge through the little transition there into the final outro. It looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.